Hi everyone, thanks for stopping by, thanks for watching. It is hoped that you will find this presentation interesting and become one of my audience. Today, I share in the topic, mosquito larvae an avenue for pest infestation. Throughout the fish keeping community, both the novice as well as the experienced fish keepers practice feeding their fish stock mosquito larvae, live fish food. It should be noted by everyone that not all fish species crave for this type of fish food. The mosquito, a parasitic insect, goes through a few metamorphic stages before it begins to fly and become a problem. The female mosquito would lay its egg in a body of water. After a few days the egg would give way to an organism looking like a creature from space when looked at from a close-up telescope. Eventually this creature-looking thing will become a larva-looking creature moving throughout the water space. This insect at this stage is packed with protein and should serve as a great meal for small fish. The problem I have with this source of live fish food exists when this same fish food is being fed to large fish such as peacocks, sevirums and oscars. Probably you may have a different experience. I have actually experienced my oscars ignoring thousands of mosquito larvae, which results in the transforming of these mosquitoes larvae into adult-size mosquitoes. To manage the situation, I had to use a few river fish as dither fish. They ate all the larvae present in the pond and have grown in population. I believe live fish food should be measured according to the size fish being fed. I would not feed my guppies and mollies worms found at the back of my yard. That would be a risk. The mouth of these fish is so small, although these fish may crave for the worm, they will not be able to consume them. Smaller worms would have to be considered, or the use of mosquito larvae would be an excellent choice. Presently my oscar goes at everything which moves in the water. At 9+ inches, its appetite is growing. I promise I will show you this fish before the end of this calendar year. Thanks for stopping by. Have a blessed evening.